He was feeling that. He was feeling it a little bit. Kind of stopped, and he kind of got tired of it. But I don't know. My daughter got a toy for $6 at PetSmart. He feeling it. He just didn't want to get up. Trying to get my feet in this picture. My feet look horrible. Hey, come on, baby. Let's go, Oliver. Let's get it. Nah, I love babies. Yeah, I mean, this toy seems decent, but once the momentum stops, they get a little. Okay, okay. He's like, no, I'm still playing with it, boy. I see you, Ali. You holding it down? You licking it? Okay. Show my babies. Mikey. Yeah, yo. Is he holding the toy on you? Well, Oliver, you got a shit toy. Yeah, put it in your mouth. It's so cute. So there's like a marble in the bottom of it, so it keeps it like rolling. That was a decent toy from PetSmart. And oh, they seen something else. He's like, come on, man. He's like, share that toy, bro. I just took it out for them to play with. Mikey, come here. I got you. Oh, I found a spring. Classic spring. Oh, I didn't go like I was hoping. Yeah, she loves the spring. Oh, there goes Oliver. Man, y'all gave up on the mouse for a spring. That's what we on. Yeah, get that. Oh, hey, boy. My big kitty.